Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm recreating one of my own makeup looks that I did last summer that I put on my Instagram, and I reposted it a few days ago and asked if anyone would like a tutorial on it, and I had a few of you message me and say that you would really love to see a tutorial on this look. So that is what I'm doing today. If you mess up your eyeliner and do not have time to redo your whole makeup, if you just do this look, it looks like you've purposely done it. Oh, also, if you like my foundation and everything today, I used a very special and cool tool to put this foundation on, and this is a completely new foundation. I've never used it before, but I have filmed a tutorial on it and it will be up on my channel very soon. If I've already uploaded it, then it will be linked in the description bar down below. Before I get into this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any of my future videos. So if you want to see how I created this smoked out wing eye look, then please keep watching. So let's start the tutorial, and firstly I'm going to be using my Marianne On Point Black Waterproof. Talking of waterproof, all my foundation and everything on my face right now is waterproof makeup. So I will be doing a video of this waterproof foundation look. Will be up on my channel really soon. If I've already uploaded it, it will be up in this corner and it will come across now. But if I've not uploaded it yet, then it will be on my channel super soon, don't you worry. So I'm going to be using the Marianne On Point Waterproof Eyeliner, and the reason I'm using this is literally because, as the name is on point, like it has the most precision eyeliner that I have got. I'm basically just going to draw a normal winged eyeliner, but I'm not going to make it too thick. I'm going to make it quite thin because I'm going to go over the top with black eyeshadow. The last time I did this look was summer last year, so it's nearly been a whole year since I've done this, so I'm just trying to remember how I did it. Next I'm going to go in with some black eyeshadow, and my favourite black eyeshadow ever is Blackout by Urban Decay. This tiny little smudgy brush by MAC, and it's the 223 brush, and it's literally my favourite brush. I normally use it for under the eye. I'm going to put that into the black eyeshadow and just lightly put the eyeshadow on top of the eyeliner that we have just drawn on. And it does not matter if it goes over the line a bit, because obviously we're going to be blending this out, so I'm going to go a bit over the line that you've just drawn, basically patting it over and bringing it a little, whoa, what have I just done? Am I okay? Why? Right, let me try and like blend this out. This is going to be fun, isn't it? I'm just going to be patting the black eyeshadow just above the line that I've already created. And I'm not being neat with this, doing a smudgy eyeliner look. Now I have a pencil brush, but it's quite a dense one, and I'm just going to go over that and kind of do circular motions to really blend this out and smudge it out. I've decided I'm going to make the wing kind of a bit thicker with the eyeliner, so I'm going to just go in and kind of straighten it off. Now I'm going to go in with Blackout again and kind of just go over the top just so it's not a neat line there. With some concealer, just clean up the underneath because I want that to be sharp. So what I've been doing is just adding little bits of eyeshadow just on the corners, and then kind of keep tapping it out so it is nicely blended. Now I've done that, I'm going to put some mascara on, and I'm going to use Diego Dalla Palma mascara, a Siglione Lash Booster mascara. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I will link it in the description down below. So I'm going to put some lashes on. Got these new lashes, and they're kind of really cat eyelashes, but I don't know if it will just be too much with this eye look. Let me just test it out. And these are the Urban Decay lashes in Vape. I'm going to take these lashes off because I think it's just a bit too winged. In some of my videos I always forget to say what eyelash glue I use, and my all-time favourite glue is Duo Glue. And for this look I'd be using the Duo Glue in pink, and it is the dark toned one. It's like a grey eyelash glue, so when it goes on top of like the black eyeliner, it doesn't stand out or anything. It goes in quite nicely. You don't have any like clear blobs there or any white or anything like that. So my trusty Urban Decay Tricked Out Lashes come in to save the day. I wonder what lip I should put on. I'm going to go with a brown lip because that's kind of what I did in the original photo. And I cannot remember what lip combo I went with, so I'm just going to improvise. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay 1993 lip liner. So now I've lined my lips in 1993. I'm now going to use the Urban Decay lipstick in 1993 and smother it over my lips. Just to add some dimension to the lips, I'm going to use, it says Viva Glam Gaga 2 Amplified. It's just a really light nude colour by MAC, and I'm just going to put that in the centre of my lips. That is it for this kind of super easy, super quick, smoked out wing, almost like a smoky eye but a bit more subtle. I sometimes do this look when I do a winged eyeliner and it goes wrong and it's a bit bumpy or a bit big in one place and not even, and you think, do you know what, it would just smoke it out and it would look like it's meant to be like that. I really like it. It's a bit of a change to the standard kind of crisp lined eyeliner, and trust me, I do love that, but sometimes I just want to go a bit more edgy. I personally would wear this anywhere, but you can wear it on a night out, you can wear it shopping, you can really dress it up, put a red lip with it, do all your hair, or you can really casual it up, have a ponytail, either this lip, bit of a nude lip, and you're good to go. If you liked this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and the subscribe button. And also, I love replying to all of your comments, so leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!